We're in Jupiter, Florida to swim with sharks, but I have a question for you. Would you get in the water if you saw this?